how you wake up every morning or some morning feeling motivated, energetic, and all gingered, trying to work out, to burn calories, to stay fit, to lose baby fat, to get your abs in order, and to, just to be generally healthy and perhaps become size zero. And sometimes you don't get to achieve all of this because the gym is far from your house, or even the nearby gyms have very high and expensive subscription fees, or you're looking for a workout partner. And my dear, you live alone in a lonely world in your city. What I'm trying to say is that you do not have a workout partner, so you may not be able to go do all of this. But what if I told you that there is a viable option in my city where you can get to do all of this for free? And in addition to working out, losing your fat and all that, you get to network, meet high net worth people, dance, have fun, and stay fit. Stay tuned and find out.
For life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Vera here, as always and as usual. And guys, guess where I am today? I am at Okpara Square in the heart of my city, Enugu, Okoh city state. The cleanest city in Nigeria. Alright guys, so basically Okpara Square is the place where we go to do March Past every 27th May or every May 27th. That is the Children's Day. It's also the place where the government hold every official state event here. I'm talking about the rallies, the conferences, the workshops, and all those things the government hosts for the people. But recently, this square has evolved to become a recreational hub where a lot of people, when I mean a lot of people, guys, you'll be amazed at the caliber and number of people that come here to work out and to do all the fun things. And these fun things are the things I'm going to show you guys on this video. So let's get down to where the whole thing is happening so that you can see things for yourself. Let's go. So this place is a place you meet different categories of people. I'm talking about a place where you come and see children working out, like dedicatedly, religiously working out. I'm talking about people of 5 years. I'm also talking about people my age. I'm talking about people older than I am. And I'm also talking about the aged. I saw a lot of aged people here, elderly people with gray hairs, with walking sticks, and doing the whole thing. And I felt so inspired. And also pregnant women also come here to work out. I've passed a couple of pregnant women. Talking about class, there is no type of class you're not going to see here. You're going to see the haves, you're going to see the have-nots. There are people who came here on foot, there are people who came here with other means of transport, and then there are people who came here with their Pepe Dem Gang cars. Guys, seriously, I somehow think that people come here to show off as well. People come here to bend our necks and break our necks, because there are cars I'm seeing, I'm like, excuse me, it's not just to work out. Like, why bring in that car? Why don't you intimidate us, really? And these cars, guys, I saw them and I really wonder, like, are these cars really in Enugu? So if you're looking to network with high net worth people, I think this is a place to look for. And if you're also looking to find the love of your life, this is also a place, because I've seen beautiful babes. Enugu get fine babes. I don't go lie. Guys. I'm talking about the guys. I've also seen eligible young bachelors here, because they're not wearing their rings, their abs are tight. So if you're also looking for a husband, come down to Okpara Square. And for those of you that send me mails saying, Vera, help me find a nice baby in Enugu, very slim, this and that, come down to Okpara Square. You're going to see all of those specs. Like, there is no spec that is not here. So what am I saying in essence? This is a place, this is like a one-size-fits-all for every kind of personality and need. So whatever it is you are looking for, you're not going to feel left out in this place. There are different groups, there are different people, there are different personality to fit you. So you don't have any excuse not to come down here, work out, and do other things they do here. All right?
How many minutes? How many minutes will you?
Alright guys, so like I told you, this place caters for different needs. So if you're looking to jog, there is a very big community, a large community of joggers, because a lot of people come here specifically to jog. Jogging is the basic thing they do at Okpara Square. Now there are those that perform or do the calisthenics. There is the calisthenics group here. There is also the yoga group here. There are the aerobics group here. There are the dancing class. I don't know if that's part of aerobic, but there is this group of people that they just dedicate themselves to dancing to serious beats of Nigerian tracks. Now there are Ogene groups, which is like, for me, this is the major group because I vibe to Ogene music a lot. Ogene is like babe, Ogene is life. And in case you don't know what Ogene is an indigenous music instrument that is used by the Igbo people. So Ogene is like an Igbo music instrument. And when you talk about Ogene music, Enugu is the headquarters of Ogene music in the entire Igbo community or in the entire Igbo land. And right there in Okpara Square, people dance to Ogene music to work out. And this made me feel like, or this made me conclude that Enugu people are so sensible. Like, they're dancing to their favorite song and they're losing weight, they're losing calories, they're getting their body and everything in order. That is why we are fine like that in this state. Anyways, I was able to talk to one of the Ogene group members and this is what she had to say. How often do you work out here?
At least 4 times in a week.
4 times in a week?
Yes.
Guys, people are serious and I'm just coming out only on Saturdays. So like Mondays to
maybe Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays.
Okay, but every day people come out here to work
Yes,
out.
every day.
Like even Monday to Friday.
Monday to Saturday. Saturday. No, on Sunday there are not so many, but you will find people. You will find people here like just individuals, but you won't find them like in crowds like this.
Really?
Yes.
So which of the groups do you belong? I heard there is Ogene, there is calisthenics, there is yoga, there is dance and all that.
The Ogene groups, there are 2 Ogene groups. So,
okay.
See, I'm wearing green.
Okay.
There's one, see the back.
Oh, okay. Wait. Let's get that. I said, Whole City Keep Fit Club, Enugu.
Yes.
Okay, there are 2 groups of Ogene.
Yes, I belong to this one.
Please, what kind is that?
And then there are the people that wear red. They call them, I think, exclusive.
Okay.
Yes, okay, yeah. So I belong to this one. So I run to the Ogene groups, they run.
Oh, yeah,
so after my running, I now come back to do aerobics. There are different aerobic groups, there are so many.
Wow.
So I come back to do aerobics and abdominal. So I belong to one of the groups. They don't really have a name.
Okay, alright, but for this Ogene group, which I'm very much interested, do you pay to join them?
Okay, when you join, you get a form. This one, I don't know about the red one.
Okay.
You get a form for 2,000.
Okay.
And then you also get this jersey. So you just get the form, fill it, and then they give you this jersey. And then it's actually like a social club. Aside the running, they do other things like charity. They attend social events and other things.
Okay, so if I'm a member right now and I want to wed or have an event, I
they
can
will
invite
come,
you guys.
yes, and they will even come with your Ogene.
Mado. I like this. Really.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I didn't know that part of it. So they also like a social group.
Yes.
Doing social things in the city, not just working.
Not just
out.
workout, yes.
Wow, nice. Thank you for the gist and thank you for the
You're welcome.
I'll join you very soon. Guys, she's sweating. Don't worry, when I start my own, sweat.
Yeah,
Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye. Wow.
Yeah, this 042 of a life for you.
This is
Guys, it's all fun. Wow, oh my god guys, so remember I told you guys that you can also network and meet a lot of people here. And still talking about Ogene, guys, I just saw the 001 of Ogene. I'm talking about the ancestor, the person that owns Ogene music in the whole of Enugu, if not the south. I'm talking about Mr. Igbo Jah. If you're a good listener of Ogene music, you must have heard of Igbo Jah. So let's run over to meet him and have a little chat with him.
Worldwide. Igbo Jah. Chiminyere m egwu si nso ụwa. Chiminyere m egwu ọ bụrụ ya na-eme ọ bụrụ ya maga maga ma ihe a na-eto ọnụ. Kita ka ọ sara ọkụ.
So I never expect a lot of things from you.
Ihe niile ga na-eme n'ogene. Mba na agadi nwaanyị kacha nka ka nwere oge eji wee gbado anya. O nwere oge eji gbado anya.
Okay, so bad. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That will win.
Oh no, Igbo Jah bụ ahịa esi n'ụwa niile, ada amụ aka, onye wefụta aka ya aka ọtọ ya aka.
Thank you very much.
Igbo Jah number one. Igbo Jah bụ number one.
N'ebe niile.
Nekwa magaji.
Amụ abụ ezumbe. Ezumbe, parative, prayer point ụmụnwa, sugar cane ụmụ agbara, full salad, oke watermelon, ọmgba zanzam,
As you can see, these men are done with their workouts. They've lost a lot of calories and are currently resting. And as you know, anything called resting goes well with refreshments. And looking by their side, they are paying their due homage as core Igbo men / Enugu men by taking those glasses of fresh palm wine alongside bushmeat. Some are having theirs with Okpara, but whatever that makes you feel good. That's how we roll here in Enugu. Guys, I'm done. I'm done working out. You guys saw me with the Ogene people. Can you see my sweat? Like if you're not seeing it, I just wiped myself clean to present to you guys that I am done, and thanks for watching. If you watched to this point, thank you so much. And this is where we draw the curtain on today's episode. But before I leave, guys, there's something we do here in Enugu. We don't disrespect our elders. Do you get? We pay homage, like we are homage paying people. So I'm going to get myself my own okpa because I see a lot of people eating okpa here. So I think it's like the culture here. After burning calories, downsize the whole thing with okpa, right? So me, I'm going to get my own okpa, and from there I am heading home. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. See you at the okpa stand.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you